I'm Yvonne Rose, and I want to talk to you who have disabilities. I want you to realize that, yes, there was some incident that happened that changed who you thought you were. You no longer take it for granted that you do things in a certain way, just like everybody else. But one of the good things is that you're no longer like everybody else. You're even more unique. And if you've got a rehabilitation specialist working with you, you're working on adapting what is there now in order to be even better. And yes, it's taking some doing. It's because your muscles are no longer doing what they automatically did as you were developing. Stop and think about the babies who are born and have the same type of condition that you have. They don't know that they're disabled. All they know is there's this huge world out there, and they want to find out about it. Get that same enthusiasm. Get that type of enthusiasm to go out there and conquer and discover and find out and learn, because it's in your grasp. All you have to do is reach out and do it. But you need to follow the instructions of your therapist to help you adapt to a new way of doing things. You're not disabled. You're reconstituted. You are a new person. And you have benefits to bestow on others because of your new persona, because of your new state of existence. Please remember that. You still have a lot to offer, but you can't do it until you learn how to use your new tools. That's what it is. It's new tools. And you're probably going to have some other changes going on too, diet and adaptations. But those also go toward making this a better place. Because in order to be a more inclusive environment for everyone, we need the adaptations that will help you, because those adaptations that are helping you are going to be helping others. And when someone sees you with your new state of being out there and doing, they're going to be motivated to be just as good as you. You're going to be a role model. So step up to the plate and make me proud. You're not disabled. You've just taken on a new adaptation to who you used to be in order to be the new you.